Have you ever wondered how millions of McDonald's burgers are made with perfect precision? Today, we go inside the world's largest burger factory.
Welcome to the heart of the industrial food revolution.
It all starts with premium 100% pure beef selection.
Thousands of patties are formed every minute with laser precision.
A simple blend of salt and pepper is added for flavor.
Every bun is sliced perfectly to hold the weight of the ingredients. It's shredded and packed within hours of leaving the farm.
Crunchy pickles are sorted to ensure only the best make the cut.
Real cheddar cheese is sliced into thin, melt-in-your-mouth squares.
The secret sauce is dispensed in precise amounts every time.
Finely diced onions are added for that sharp, classic tang.
Safety is key. Every grill is monitored for perfect cooking heat.
This is where all the components finally come together.
A massive logistics network delivers them fresh to your city.
From the factory to your tray in record time. The result? The same delicious taste every single time.
That's the secret behind the world's most famous hamburger.